Alright guys, hey, good morning, welcome back to an episode with D-Sport Fishing. So today we are using D-Sport Fishing boat for the first time. I know you guys have been waiting for that. Finally we can make it happen. Of course I brought a experienced driver, boat driver, and also we have a subscriber, Bill. He's going to join us. Where are you from, man?
I'm from New York.
So welcome to Aruba, man.
Alright.
Hopefully today we can make it happen. We are at the spot that had in mind to try with kayak, but now I have the boat. So we will go with the boat. So it seems very juicy spot, a lot of mangrove, you guys can see. We are surrounded by mangrove. So let's see how it goes. I will begin with top water as always, guys. So stay tuned, stick around, enjoy. First cast, first hit. Big cast. It's only about you. So as always, guys, I love to begin with top water. He's using the twitch bait. I'm going to use the twitch in mullet. We saw bait busting, so that's why we came this side. You have to follow the bait, guys. If you see bait, chase those bait.
Ja, wat ding hier loren
We tem 3 boxes din.
Da.
Não tem nem Jack. So most time when you fish the mangrove, you will see a lot of pocket. They call the pocket. What they mean with that, you will see like a small hole that go in the back in the mangrove, and most time the fish will be in there. But you have to be a good caster because you have to cast under the tree, and I have no idea if I can do it yet because I have to go to train a little bit of how to cast on the tree, otherwise you will catch the tree instead of the fish. Damn, it's a freaking dead catfish. Actually, we don't have catfish on Aruba. We're on the island, but it's freaking weird that we see a dead catfish. So that's me from other place. Showing that any shark that they hit there yet.
Incredible. So I come from the States, have a lot of catfish. And you see one in Aruba. There's no freshwater fish on? No. No lake or nothing? Nothing.
Very good. Ooh, I had to film that, man. You got a follower, very good, small barracuda. Throw it back. Ooh, I had the camera like this, I had to put it. Or maybe someone bought a catfish from somewhere and then throw it in the water, maybe.
Could have been in their boat or something.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Does this catfish look like a...
From aquarium.
It doesn't look bad either. It looks like it's been in there for a long time.
Yes, aquarium. Let's look at like
An aquarium fish,
yeah.
huh? Yeah.
No. Things happen. Freaking dead catfish. Wait, fish, fish. Wait, fish, fish. I got a hit. Throw it. Wait. Yeah, in front of you. Yeah, over there. Nice. I got a hit. Throw very close to the mangrove, and I got a hit right away. Alright, the first hit of the day. Fish walking over there, right? Yep. Fish! I got a hit. Throw it in front of you. Fish! Finally! Oh, I pull off! Probably got a hit. That's a good thing, right? Minsan namin okay. Siwa na ang trainers. Alright guys, we are at Hadipurai right now, waiting for something to eat. It's been very slow. We only got one hit. Also saw a splash, a snook hit the lure. We didn't hook up any fish yet, or land the fish. So we have a couple hours more to go. Hopefully we can make something happen, but it's freaking nice to go out with your own boat, and also has a subscribe on the boat for sure. So relaxing. It's better to be on the water than working. So stay tuned, stick around, make sure to subscribe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in a couple minutes.
Let it go a little bit closer.
Yeah. I'm good.
Hold on.
Go.
Oh, get it.
Okay?
All yours.
Yours, cast. Wih, rekai. Yeah, but the birds are up above us. Hey, woo! Hit it. No sé. They go falling, they're falling. Ooh, they're bossing way up.
At 100 feet off to the left.
Yep.
Just let the boat drift over there.
Come on, fishy.
Yeah.
It's the moment, bro. Nothing yet?
Look at this shit, man. Es bonito.
Será, Moni? Nothing yet?
Nothing.